Imagine a meal that's not only good for you but also a breeze to clean up. Yes, it's possible. Welcome to AI Easy Recipes. We're crafting a one-pan masterpiece that's packed with wholesome ingredients and comforting flavors. Say goodbye to endless dishes and hello to stress-free cooking. Let's get cooking with Gemini. Hi Gemini. I would like to prepare a main entree for 4 people. I will be using one pan to cook this meal. My guests have no allergies. I would love the recipe to be comfort food. Some things to keep in mind. The meal needs to be healthy and nutritious. Feel free to include chicken. Please also include a shopping list. Looking forward to tasting our saucy meal.
Hey everyone! When it's stormy outside, all I crave is something warm, comforting, and just plain saucy. So let's whip up a delicious one-pan chicken dish that's not only budget-friendly but also super nutritious. We're making one-pan saucy herb-roasted chicken and vegetables. This recipe is all about letting the chicken and veggies shine with a simple, yet oh-so-flavorful herb-infused sauce. Alright, here's what you'll need. 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, or breasts if you prefer. 1 large onion sliced. 2 carrots peeled and sliced. 2 potatoes, Yukon Gold or red potatoes work great, cubed. 1 bell pepper, any color you like, sliced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 can of diced tomatoes, just dump the whole can in there. 1 cup of low-sodium chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of dried mixed herbs, think thyme, rosemary, and oregano. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. And some fresh parsley or cilantro chopped for a pretty garnish, optional of course. Now let's get cooking. Here's how we're gonna do it. First things first, let's get that oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Next, we're gonna season the chicken. In a big bowl, toss the chicken with salt, pepper, paprika, and half of those dried herbs. Get it nice and coated. Now for the sizzling part. Heat up that olive oil in a big oven-safe skillet or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side till it's golden brown. Then take the chicken out and set it aside. Time for the veggies. Add the sliced onion, carrots, and potatoes to the skillet. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the onions are see-through and the veggies start to soften. Then throw in the bell pepper and minced garlic and cook for another 2 minutes until it smells amazing. Let's make that sauce. Pour in the diced tomatoes and chicken broth. Give it a good stir. Add the rest of those dried herbs. Bring it to a simmer. Now, let's put it all together. Put the chicken back in the skillet, nestling it right in with the veggies. Make sure it's mostly covered in that yummy sauce. Into the oven it goes. Transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are tender. And finally, let's serve it up. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro, and serve it hot with all those saucy vegetables. A few things to keep in mind. This meal is super balanced, with protein from the chicken, carbs from the potatoes, and loads of vitamins and fiber from the veggies. Using low-sodium broth helps keep the sodium in check, and the olive oil gives us those healthy fats. Find the full shopping list, the recipe, cook time, and some handy nutritional tips in the description below. Enjoy your delicious and budget-friendly meal.
Thank you, Gemini. Let me know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see Gemini share next. Enjoy your delicious creation, and see you in the next recipe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes.